it's kind of this other realm where we communicate with each other and really kind of talk about things and can explore bigger issues without even knowing it, and sometimes just do it because we need to, because I think it's part of what makes us human.
It's a form of communication that's hard to express in words, but through cues and aesthetics and mediums, I think it's easier to find a way to express these things.
Art can take a lot of different forms. I don't think that art is necessarily an object or a drawing or sculpture. I think it has more to do with an investigation of things that are interesting to whoever is the creator of the art.
I don't know that you can really define art that well. It's one of those things that the more accurately you try to define it, the less accurate the definition becomes.
Art is important because art holds up a mirror to society. It enriches culture in a variety of ways. It's easier to answer that question as what would life be without art? It'd be very two-dimensional. It'd be more static. Art is necessary to ignite change or act as a catalyst for raising questions that aren't raised by other disciplines.
A world without art would be really, really boring.
A world without art, I don't think there would be such a thing. I think it'd be like a world without language. I think humans are destined to create. So I don't think there is such a thing as a world without art.
I think it's really important for artists to group together in any way they can. Just the transmission of ideas in between artists helps everyone work to form and grow and become better.
It's very important for artists to become part of communities. The energy of multiple people united together is much stronger than individual artists.
Co-ops and guilds and a lot of those things are really pertinent, especially right now. And I think there's like a really beautiful spot that when you get in like a conversation and start to kind of work with someone, that's kind of the only new place where you can reach new territory.
Artist communities essentially allow for people with different skills and different viewpoints to interact in a really close physical space. Innovation, whether it's in the arts or in business, happens because you have this sort of cross-pollination of expertise. So I think, an artist colony or a shared artist space makes people more creative. Creativity doesn't happen in a bubble. This is the beginning.
This is the beginning.
This is the beginning.